Chapter 7: Using Influencers and Affiliates to Scale Sales. One of the easiest ways to grow your TikTok shop without spending money on ads is to work with creators. TikTok's affiliate system allows influencers to promote your products in exchange for a commission, helping you drive sales while they earn. This chapter shows you how to set up affiliate offers, find the right creators, and build partnerships that scale. What is TikTok affiliate marketing? TikTok's affiliate system lets creators find your product in the affiliate marketplace, promote it in their videos or live streams, earn a commission on every sale they generate. You only pay for results, making it one of the lowest risk ways to grow. Why affiliates work? Affiliates help you reach new audiences without building a following yourself. Get more content for your product. Drive sales passively, they promote, you fulfill. Even small creators, called micro-influencers, can deliver strong results if their audience trusts them. How to set up an affiliate offer. Log into the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Go to Affiliate Marketing Product Commission. Select the product you want creators to promote. Set a commission rate, 10–30% is typical. Publish the offer to make it visible in the creator marketplace. Creators can now apply to promote your product or start right away, depending on your settings. How to find the right creators. You can discover creators in two ways. 1. TikTok Creator Marketplace, TCM, use filters to find creators by niche, follower count, region, or performance. You can view their content style, engagement rate, and audience. 2. Manual search. Look through TikTok using relevant hashtags, like hashtag #SkinCareTools or hashtag TikTokShop, and message creators directly if you like their content. Many list email or business contact info in their bio. Look for creators who post consistent, high-quality content, have real engagement, comments, shares, not just views, already create product or review-style videos. Tips for working with affiliates. Send free product samples when possible to encourage better content. Offer a generous commission, especially early on, to attract attention. Communicate clearly, let creators know what makes the product great and what's worked in the past. Track performance in your seller center to see which creators bring the most sales. Build long-term relationships with top performers. You can also repurpose their videos, with permission, on your own account or in ads. Common mistakes to avoid. Offering too low a commission, creators won't be motivated. Not responding to affiliate requests or messages. Working with creators who don't match your product niche. Failing to deliver a good customer experience, which reflects on the creator, too. Key takeaway. TikTok's affiliate system is a powerful, low-risk way to scale your sales. By working with the right creators, you can grow faster, build trust, and reach new audiences without creating every piece of content yourself. Start small, test different creators, and nurture the relationships that bring results.